Welcome to another episode of Top Programming Languages in 2023. Today, we're diving into the world of coding and exploring the most influential languages that are shaping the tech landscape. First up, we have the timeless C programming language. Known for its efficiency and versatility, C has been the backbone of many software systems and operating systems for decades. Let's talk about C++. With its object-oriented features and high-performance capabilities, C++ remains a powerhouse for developing everything from games to complex applications. Moving on, we have Java, the language that's synonymous with platform independence. Its write once, run anywhere mantra makes it a top choice for building applications that work seamlessly across various devices. Now, let's talk about JavaScript. This dynamic scripting language is the driving force behind the interactive web. From animations to complex web applications, JavaScript brings websites to life. Last but not least, Python, the language that's redefining versatility. Its clean syntax and extensive libraries make it a favorite for web development, data science, AI, and much more.